There are a couple of ways to create vector boundaries around reliefs in Carveco. These are useful not only for designing but also for machining. The most common used tool is the Create Boundary from Relief tool, which is located in the Vector Creation toolbar. You can do this over a selected relief or over the whole model. To create the boundary, just select Create Boundary and it will create a boundary around the outside of the relief. You can also specify a height range and this will create a vector around the relief at this specified height. Another way to create a boundary is by using the magic wand. This is located in the flyout menu under the tape measure. This changes the cursor to a dropper, and if you select relief height, you can select the 0 plane in this instance to create a boundary. The only negative in using this instead of using the relief boundary is that in this example I will want to delete the extra vector that this has created around the edge of the model.